Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go! Integral questions get easy when you stay organized, so watch this quick one. We evaluate x sine x from 1 to pi and match the... Start with integration by parts, because x times sine x is a product. Take u equals x and dv equals sine x dx. So du equals dx and v equals negative cosine. Now apply the formula integral u dv equals uv minus integral v du, giving negative x cosine x plus integral cosine x dx, all evaluated from 1 to pi. Finish the antiderivative, negative x cosine x plus sine x, then plug in pi and 1, and you get pi plus cosine 1 minus sine. Well done! Option A. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rush. Trust given steps and check steps so the minus sign stays correct.